Hello, welcome to my channel, yo! Hold up for a second. Have you ever tried to hug someone you care about, but they stiffen up like a frozen burrito? Or maybe you're the one who gets uncomfortable when somebody steps too close. Don't worry, this video ain't about judging you. This is about understanding you. Today, we're breaking down something that almost everyone experiences, but nobody really talks about. Why physical closeness, a hug, keys. Someone sitting next to you can feel scary as hell for some people. I'm talking real psychology, real science, real stories, and real examples. No fluff, no sugarcoating. Just straight up understanding. If you want stronger relationships, healthier connections, and a better understanding of your own emotional wiring, this video is gonna hit different. So stay locked in, because trust me, by the end of this, you're gonna understand yourself and your partner in a whole new way. Section 1. What does fear of physical closeness even mean? Alright, let's get this straight. Fear of physical closeness doesn't mean someone is cold, rude, or heartless. It doesn't mean they don't care. It means something inside their emotional system, their wiring, is trying to protect them. Physical closeness equals vulnerability. And vulnerability equals danger for some people. For many, being held, touched, hugged, or leaned on triggers stress, anxiety tightening in the chest, feeling trapped, feeling exposed, nervousness, overthinking, emotional shutdown. You'll hear people say things like, I'm not a touchy person. I don't like hugs. I need my space. Why are you so close? I can't breathe when someone's clingy. If this sounds familiar, it's not random. It's not personality. It's psychology. Section 2. The real roots. Why some people fear physical closeness. Childhood emotional neglect. If you grew up in a home where nobody hugged, no one said I love you, showing emotions was weak. Parents were distant. Affection was rare. You had to be strong and independent then as an adult. Closeness feels unfamiliar. Your body sees touch as something foreign. Affection feels like a language you never learned. Sample. A partner hugs you from behind. Instead of warmth, you feel startled, tense, unsure. Like, wait, what do I do? Not because you don't care. Because your emotional system never practiced physical closeness. Childhood trauma or emotional abuse, this is one of the strongest causes. If you grew up with criticism, yelling, mocking, rejection, feeling unseen, being made fun of for showing feelings, then your brain learned closeness equals pain. Opening up equals danger. Attachment equals hurt. So now you're older. And someone tries to kiss, hug, or cuddle you. Your brain goes, whoa, this is too close. Back up. It's too risky. Example, someone touches your shoulder gently. Your body jumps, as if touch means incoming threat. Avoidant attachment style. If your attachment style is avoidant, You might pull away during hugs, avoid cuddling, get overwhelmed by affection, need a lot of space, feel too exposed when someone sits close, feel trapped in physically intimate moments. Avoidant people value independence so much that physical closeness feels like losing control. Example: you're lying in bed. Your partner cuddles close. Suddenly your brain switches into I need to breathe. I need space. I'm suffocating. Not because of the person, but because intimacy feels threatening. Previous toxic or controlling relationships. Some people fear physical closeness because a past partner used affection for manipulation, forced intimacy, violated boundaries, disrespected consent, controlled them physically, made them associate touch with fear, so now, even when someone safe touches them, their body remembers the fear. This is trauma somatically stored. The body remembers even when the mind tries to forget. Low self-esteem or body insecurity. People fear closeness because they feel I'm not attractive enough. They'll notice my flaws up close. What if I look weird? What if they think I'm awkward? Touch exposes the body. Someone with insecurity thinks, when you get physically close, you can see the real me. And that terrifies them. Sensory sensitivity for some people. Touch is physically overwhelming. People with sensory processing sensitivity, autism, high sensitivity anxiety might find touch too intense, too sudden, too stimulating, too loud for their nervous system. To them, a hug isn't relaxing, it's overwhelming. Fear of vulnerability, the biggest reason of all. Physical closeness exposes the heart. Some people build emotional walls for years, and a simple hug feels like someone knocking the whole wall down. They fear being hurt, being rejected, being judged, being abandoned, losing control, loving too much, not being enough for them. Physical closeness isn't physical, it's emotional. Section 3. How this fear shows up in relationships. Here are signs. Someone fears closeness, pulls away during hugs, keeps distance in public, gets stiff when touched, finds cuddling uncomfortable, avoids making eye contact during intimacy, rarely initiates affection, becomes anxious when someone sits too close, chooses relationships with unavailable partners. When things get serious. Micro examples. They turn their body away during cuddles. They sit on the opposite side of the couch. They panic when someone touches their face. They take a deep breath before hugging. They avoid sleeping too close in bed. Section 4. What you should never say to someone who fears closeness. Please avoid these phrases. Why don't you just relax? It's just a hug. Chill out. You're so dramatic. You don't love me. This is weird. You're cold. These statements shame the person and push them deeper into fear. Section 5. How to support someone who fears physical closeness. Move slowly. Ask before touching. Give them time to adjust. Let them set the pace. Let them initiate affection when they're comfortable. Use verbal reassurance. Say things like, "You're safe with me. Tell me what you're comfortable with. I won't push you." Build emotional safety first. When emotional safety increases, physical safety automatically improves. Don't take it personally. It's not about you. It's about their emotional history. Section 6. How someone can heal this fear. Therapy, learning secure attachment, practicing small, safe touches. Healing from past trauma, self-esteem, work, emotional openness, exercises, somatic therapies, releasing body-stored trauma. Communication with partners. Healing is 100% possible with patience. 3 questions for audience question. #1. Do you personally feel uncomfortable with physical closeness? Why do you think that is? Question #2. What type of affection is easiest or hardest for you to handle? Question number 3. Have you ever dated someone who feared closeness? What was the hardest part? Yo, listen, if you've ever felt weird about hugs, closeness, cuddles, or kissing, you're not broken. You're not cold. You're not too much or too little. You're human, and humans protect themselves in different ways. If you learned something today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments, because trust me, your story might help someone else. And remember, the more you understand yourself, the more powerful you become in your relationships. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.